Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sarvajna Learning Center. Today we are going to present SSC JEE Mechanical previous year question paper 2018. In 2018 there are two papers are held. In that we will discuss paper number 2 in that part 1 on section General Engineering. Question number 1. A kinematic pair cannot be classified on the basis of 1. Nature of contact between the links. 2. Nature of constraint between the links. 3. Number of connected links. 4. Type of relative motion between the links. The correct answer is number of connected links. Next question. How many degree of freedom a threaded screw has? Option 1 0, option 2 1, option 3 2, option 4 insufficient data. The screw pair have only 1 degree of freedom, which will be in upward direction only. So option number 2 is correct. Next question. Which law states that the length of the shortest and longest link should not be greater than the sum of the other two links in the 4-bar mechanism? Option 1 Grashoff's law, 2 Gruber's law, 3rd Whitworth's law, 4th Oldham's law. The correct answer is Grashoff's law. The sum of the shortest and longest link should not be greater than the sum of the other two links. This law will be the Grashoff law for 4-bar mechanism. Next question. Which of the following is used for controlling energy fluctuation in an engine? First, control valve. Second, fuel injector. Third, flywheel. Fourth, governor. The correct answer is flywheel. Next question. Which of the following is not a function of flywheel? The first, store and release energy during the work cycle. Second, reduce power capacity of the electric motor. Third, reduce amplitude of the speed fluctuation. Fourth, reduce engine speed. The correct answer is reduce engine speed. Option number 4. Next question. What is the length of belt connecting pulley with diameters D1 and D2 are at a distance x apart is connected by means of an open belt drive? Option 1 pi by 2 d1 plus d2 plus 2x plus d1 plus d2 whole square upon 4x. 2 pi by 2 d1 minus d2 plus 2x plus d1 minus d2 whole square upon 4x. Option 3 pi by 2 d1 plus d2 plus 2x plus d1 minus d2 whole square upon 4x. Fourth option pi by 2 d1 minus d2 plus 2x plus d1 plus d2 whole square upon 4x. So correct answer is pi by 2 d1 plus d2 plus 2x plus d1 minus d2 whole square upon 4x. In this case we should have to remember that the plus and minus sign will be there. Then option number 3 will be the correct one. The pi by 2 d1 plus d2 plus 2x plus d1 minus d2 whole square upon 4x. Next question. The mechanism obtained by fixing the sliding pair in single slider crank mechanism is 1. Bull engine. 2nd, oscillating cylinder engine. 3rd, Gromey engine. 4. Crank and slotted lever quick return mechanism. So option 1 is correct, Bull engine. While fixing the sliding pair in single slide crank mechanism, Bull engine is obtained. Next question. In the disc clutch, the clutch acts as option 1 driving member, 2nd driven member, 3rd neutral member, 4th none of these. The option number 2 is correct, driven member. The clutch acts as a driven member. So next question. Which of the following is known as a positive clutch? The option 1 centrifugal clutch, 2nd conical clutch, 3rd dog clutch, 4th single plate clutch. The correct answer will be the dog clutch, which is positive clutch. Next question. What type of gear is used to connect two intersecting shaft? Options are 1 bevel gear, 2nd helical gear, 3rd spur gear, 4th worm and worm wheel. The option number 1 is correct, bevel gear. While connecting two intersecting shaft, bevel gears are used. Next question. Which equation does not provide the velocity ratio of the gear? Options are 1 d1 upon d2, 2 n1 upon n2, 3 t1 upon t2, 4 omega 1 upon omega 2. The correct answer is n1 upon n2, which will not provide us velocity ratio. Next question, a governor is said to be isochronous when its equilibrium speed dash at rotation at all radii of ball. Options are 1 is constant, 2 is not constant, 3 varies uniformly, 4 varies non-uniformly. Whenever isochronous governor is there, then speed will be the constant. The option number 1 is correct. The speed is constant for all radii of rotation. Next question, which of the following governor is also known as a dead weight type governor? First, Porter governor, second, Watt governor, third, Hartnell governor, fourth, Pickering governor. So correct answer is dead weight type will be the Porter governor. Next question, Watt governor in a working has height of 2 meter. Calculate the speed in RPM of the governor. So in this case we have to use the formula 895 upon n square is equal to height of the governor. Here height is given 2 meter, then 895 divided by 2 will be equal to the n square. Then 895 divided by 2 will be approximately 450, and the root of 450 will be the approximately 21 to 22. So answer should be the option number 1, 21.14. The next question, what does the term jump significance in cam and follower? The jump significance or jump signifies. Jump means what? Whenever the follower loses contact with the cam surface, when cam rotates behind a particular speed due to inertial force, the force which is necessary to inertial force and lose the contact of follower. So follower loses contact. The option number 1, 2 and 4, follower loses contact, and the gravitational force and inertial force, so we can say inertial force is one correct one. The option number 4 1 is correct one. Okay, so option number 4 is correct. Next question, the ability of body to absorb energy and to deform plastically without fracturing is known as. Options are first one, creep, second, elasticity, third, plasticity, 4, toughness. To absorb energy, the energy is phenomenon which is related to the toughness, so option number 4 is correct. The toughness is correct one. Which type of support has single reaction component? Options are first, hinge support, second, roller support, third, fixed support, fourth, none of these. The single reaction support will be roller support. So option number 2 is correct, roller support. Next question, what is the normal stress on the bar of square cross section with side B on which load P is applied at an angle of 30 degree from the horizontal? Options are first, root 3p upon 2b square, second, root 3p upon 4b square, option 3, root 3 into p divided by 2b square, option 4, root 3 into p divided by 4b square. The correct option is root 3 into p upon 2b square. There is dash for brittle material. First one, no elastic zone, second, no plastic zone, third, large elastic zone, fourth, large plastic zone. The brittle material does not possess the plastic zone. The answer is option number 2, plastic zone. Next question, The equivalent length of the column when one end is fixed and other end is free is, options are, first one L, second L by 2, third L by 4, fourth 2L. So one end is fixed and other is free, then maximum possible length is there, it's 2L. Next question. The following column have same material, height and weight. Which column can support maximum weight? Options are I section, second solid circular section, third solid square section, fourth thin hollow circular section. The correct answer is solid circular section can support maximum weight. Next question. A column of length 8 meter with both ends fixed may be considered as equivalent to the column of length with both ends hinged. Options are option 1 2, option 2 4, option 3 6, option 4 8. If both the ends are fixed, then it will be the L by 2. So 8 by 2 is 4. The option number 2 is correct. Next question. When a steel column is said to be short, then slender's ratio is, options 1 less than 30, second greater than 30, third less than 120, fourth greater than 120. The correct answer is less than 30. Next question. What is the tensile stress in megapascal in a rod of cross section 20 mm by 30 mm carrying an axial tensile load of 20 kilonewton? Options are first 0.03, second 0.33, third 33.33, fourth 333.33. So the simple formula we have to use here, P upon A. The 20 upon 20 into 30 mm. So we got the answer in megapascal, which is 33.33. Next question. What is the change in ruler's buckling load if the diameter of the column is reduced by 10%? Options are first 4, second 6, third 34, 4 59. By solving by ruler's buckling load formula, we got the result as 34%. The option number 3 is correct, 34. Next question. Which equation correctly relate the modulus of elasticity in terms of G and K? Options are first G plus 3K upon 9 kg, second 3G plus K upon 9 kg, third 9 kg upon G plus 3K, fourth option 9 kg upon 3G plus K. The correct answer is 9 kg upon G plus 3K. Next question. Which of the curve is best suited for linear elastic perfectly plastic material? Linear elastic and perfectly plastic. So from this we will see that the option number 2 is a linear elastic up to the straight line, and perfectly plastic means the straight line parallel to strain axis. So answer number 2 is correct. Next question. Which formula correctly depicts the elongation in taper rod? Option 1 delta is equal to PL upon AE, second delta is equal to WL upon AE, third delta is equal to WL square upon 2AE, fourth delta is equal to 4PL upon pi d1 d2 E. The correct answer is for taper rod, the option number 4 delta is equal to 4PL upon pi d1 d2 E. Next question. A steel rod whose diameter is 6 cm and 1 meter long experiences heating from temperature to 200 degrees Celsius The coefficient of thermal expansion alpha is equal to 12 into 10 raised to minus 6 per degree Celsius and Young's modulus is 300 gigapascal. If the rod has not been restricted in its original position, then thermal stress develop is options are first 0, second 256, third 288, fourth 300. See, this is a tricky question. In that we will see the rod has not be restricted, then that means there is a no stress is developed in the rod. Therefore the option number 1 is correct. There is a no stress, the zero stress is there. Next question. Which of the following statement is true for sudden loading? Options are 1. Stress induced in sudden loading is double that of the normal loading. Second, stress induced in sudden loading is same as that of the normal loading. Option 3. Stress induced in sudden loading is half that of the normal loading. And fourth, none of these. The option number 1 is correct. The stress induced in sudden loading is twice that of the normal loading. Next question. A state where all the phases of the water can simultaneously coexist is called. Options are first critical state, second saturated liquid line, third saturated vapor line, fourth triple point line. The correct answer is the triple point line, where the all phases of water can simultaneously coexist. Next question. What is the main characteristics of QC static process? The options are first, an infinitely slow process, second, an random process, third, a spontaneous process, fourth, a stationary process. The correct answer is an infinitely slow process is known as a QC static process. Next question. Which equation best describes the first law of thermodynamics? Option number 1, delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. Second, delta Q is equal to delta U minus delta W. Option 3, delta Q is equal to delta W minus delta U. Option 4, delta Q is equal to delta U into delta W. The correct answer for the first law of thermodynamics is delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W. Which of the following is not a features of Carnot engine? Options are first, it has a maximum efficiency among all the engines. Second, the efficiency of Carnot engine is dependent on the temperature. Third, it works with the only one heat reservoir. Fourth, for all Carnot engines working under the same temperature range has same efficiency. The correct answer is it works with the only one heat reservoir. It's wrong about the Carnot engine. Next question. Which of the following statement is false about entropy? Options are first, entropy change of the system is the degree of increase or decrease of its randomness. Second, entropy of solid state is least. Third, entropy of universe is decreasing. Fourth, entropy of substance with a high degree of randomness is higher. The entropy of universe is decreasing is false statement because the entropy of universe remains constant. The option number 3 is correct one. Next question. In an Otto cycle, how does heat addition takes place? Options 1, irreversibly at constant pressure, irreversibly at constant volume. Third, irreversibly at constant pressure. Fourth, reversibly at constant volume. The correct answer is reversibly at constant volume. The heat addition takes place in Otto cycle. Next question. Increasing the compression ratio beyond a certain limit results to dash. Options are 1, delay in fuel burning. Second, engine knocking. Third, excessive heat in the engine. Fourth, high fuel consumption. The answer is engine knocking is due to the increasing in compression ratio. The engine knocking takes place. Next question, the mean effective pressure of engine denotes the dash. Options are first average pressure, second instantaneous pressure, third maximum pressure, fourth minimum pressure. The correct answer is average pressure. Mean effective pressure is also known as the average pressure of the engine. Next question, what will be the change in level of water when the closed and rigid tank of volume 0.035 cubic meter is slowly heated? The mass of mixture is 10 kg at 0.1 megapascal and water has a critical specific volume of 0.004155 meter per kg. Options are first will fall, second will rise, third will be constant, fourth cannot be determined. The correct answer will be the will rise, because the volume upon mixture's mass, that is 0.035 divided by 10 is equal to 0.0035, which is less than the specific volume, which is 0.004155. That means the temperature of the vessel contains water will rise the temperature. Next question, which equation represents the actual enthalpy of evaporation? The first option, H is equal to XH, second is H is equal to H plus XH, third H is equal to H minus XH, fourth H is equal to H minus XH. So this question has cancelled by SSC, because the dryness fraction for the evaporation should be the 1. That means in no option contains the X, but here the all option contains X, therefore this question will be cancelled. Next question, what is the other name for diesel cycle? The option 1, constant pressure cycle, constant temperature cycle, constant volume cycle, none of this. The answer is constant pressure cycle. In diesel cycle, the heat addition takes place at constant pressure, therefore the diesel cycle is also known as a constant pressure cycle. Next question, if a Carnot engine rejects 1/4 of heat from the reservoir, what is the efficiency of Carnot engine? Options are 1, 0.25, second 0.5, third 0.75, fourth 0.8. So Carnot engine rejects 1/4 of heat from the reservoir, means 3/4 amount of heat will be absorbed by the engine. That means the efficiency of the engine is 3/4. 3/4 means 0.75. The correct answer is 0.75, option number 3. Next question, 1 kg of air, R is equal to 287 joule per kg Kelvin, goes through an irreversible process between the two equilibrium state 1 30 degree Celsius, 1.2 meter and state 2 30 degree Celsius, 0.8 meter. What is the change in entropy in joule per kg Kelvin? So we have used the formula dq by T is equal to the entropy. dq, the change in heat divided by the temperature of the system. From this we have calculated the answer as minus 116.36. Next question, a Carnot engine operates between the temperature 1000 Kelvin and 400 Kelvin. The heat rejected by first Carnot engine is used by the second Carnot engine, whose sink temperature is 200 Kelvin. If the net heat absorbed by the first Carnot engine is 200 megajoule, what is the heat rejected in megajoule by the second Carnot engine? So in this case we have used the inequality equation. The Q1 upon T1 is equal to Q2 upon T2. From this we have calculated the answer as 40 megajoule. The option number 1 is correct, 40 megajoule. Q1 upon T1 is equal to Q2 upon T2 is equal to Q3 upon T3. From this equation we have calculated the answer. Next question, which of the following gas is used as a working medium in air standard cycle? Options are ideal gas, second natural gas, third perfect gas, fourth real gas. The answer is perfect gas. The perfect gas working medium is used in air standard cycle. Next question. An engine based on the standard Otto cycle is operating with the air as an medium with specific heat of 1.4, has a cylinder diameter of 5 cm and stroke length of 7.5 cm. If the clearance volume is 88.15 cc and the heat supplied per kg of air per cycle is 900 kJ per kg, then work output in kilojoule per kg of air is. Options are first minus 291.6, second 0, third 291.6, fourth 1800. The correct answer is 291.6. Next question. A closed system contains saturated liquid ammonia at 10 degrees Celsius. The mass of ammonia is 5 kg. The amount of heat that is required to convert all the saturated liquid to vapor at constant pressure is 16.2 megajoule. If the entropy of saturated liquid is 0.88 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, what is the entropy kilojoule kg Kelvin of the saturated vapor process without heat transfer? The options are first 6.6, second 8.7, third 12.32, fourth 14.72. The correct answer will be the 12.32. Next question. Why the study of air standard cycle is proposed? Options are to simplify analysis of IC engine, second to increase the efficiency of IC engine, third to know the forces acting on the engine, fourth none of these. The correct answer will be the to simplify the analysis of IC engine. Next question. How is the rate of burning of fuel controlled in compression ignition engine? The first one, controlling the design of engine cylinder, second rate of injection of fuel, third rate of air into the carburetor, fourth controlling temperature of the engine. The correct answer will be rate of injection of fuel will be control in compression ignition engine for burning of fuel. Next question. Which denotes the path is followed by the diesel cycle in the below PV diagram? The options are 1 2 4 7 1, second 1 2 3 5 7 1, third 1 2 6 7 1, fourth none of these. So see that the diesel cycle, the constant pressure should be there. The constant pressure will be there in 1 2 6 7 1. The option number 3 is correct. The 1 2 6 2 6 is the process which is the constant pressure process. Thank you friends.